Polygons are 2D shapes which are closed by straight lines. So polygons have straight sides. Now the thing that makes them regular is when all their sides and angles are equal. When they are not equal, this makes them irregular polygons. So here is a triangle which interior angles add up to 180 degrees. Now in this next shape we can draw a line that gives us two triangles, meaning these angles will add up to 360 degrees. This is an easy way to calculate the formula for our interior angles on polygons. On this polygon we're going to draw in the triangles and we're going to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're going to prove a rule that if we minus 2 from the total number of sides, we're going to be able to work out the interior angle of the polygon. So this interior angle will be 180 times 3, giving us 540. So here, this is going to give us 4 triangles. But if we have 6 sides and we minus 2, it gives us 4, like our 4 triangles. So 4 times 180 gives us 720 for this interior angle. Easy? So we've just learnt the formula m minus 2 times 180. M being the sides of the polygon, 7 minus 2 is 5. 180 times 5 is going to give us 900. And there's our triangles to prove it. So let's have an exam style question. Work out the sum of the interior angles on a 25-sided polygon. There's always 2 less triangles than sides, so our formula m minus 2 times 180. So 25 minus 2 is 23. So let's write out 180 times 23. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 down, carry the 2. Now 3 times 1 is 3, add the 2, gives us 5. New line, double bubble. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8, that's 16. So we pop the 6 down, carry the 1. 2 times 1 is 2, pick up that 1, giving us 3. So let's add them up together. As you can see, 0 and 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. 5 plus 6, well that's 11, so 1 down, carry the 1. Next one, 3, pick up that 1, giving us 4. So our answer for a 25-sided polygon, 4,140, and don't forget that's degrees.